Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm home a little early today. We're taking Smokey out for a walk here. Check out that post-surgery leg there. Hey Smokes, come here. Yeah, so Smokey had this TPLO surgery and his leg is healing up nicely. Let's see if I can get a little, yep, there we are. There's what's left of the scar. He's got another 2 or 3 weeks before he can go party, but he's got like he gets like a 10-minute walk a day, and, increasing 10 minutes on a walk per week. He's such a good boy. But we got our monthly sales taxes and some end of month stuff to do tonight, so I'm home early and giving Jenny a break so she can take the girls to the dog park, and then I'm taking Smokey over by our house. He's stoked. This is like the only thing he gets to do outside right now. Are you stoked, Smokey? Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Hi. Yeah. But anyways, that's not what this video is about. We're going to do, I got something special coming up for you guys. So this is from a couple of years ago. There's a general contractor, national general contractor, put up a building in Seattle at 333 Dexter, which Apple wound up picking up. This is a big commercial office building type situation, pretty typical downtown on Mercer, kind of by Google and all that stuff down there. But this was a project that we worked on that went for, I don't know, it was like a month or something, spread out over, wasn't like a month solid, but you know, I got to thinking, we're right in the middle of this DIY build your own reclaimer mini series, but what I'm going to do is mix in something that's like on the opposite end of the spectrum. So I have a bunch of footage from this project that I got back then, but I haven't made a video out of it yet. And really what my plan was to take this footage and do kind of like a promotional thing, or just sort of like an educational thing for builders, for general contractors putting up buildings, because what we do is kind of like a novel process for them. But we found that when we go in and clean these garages for them, they really like what we're doing. It's different than the way they've been cleaning these things after they build them. There are tons of construction dust. They're really hard to clean. They often don't really have any ventilation because like when they're doing that part of the job, they haven't even like installed the exhaust fans yet. So new construction is like this whole different ball of wax. Really difficult, but you can also do pretty well with it money-wise once you figure out how to do it and you get through all the difficult stuff of learning to work on new construction job sites. But the work itself is it's crazy. Like, you know how on your surface cleaners you'll notice that after like a few months the arms on the surface cleaners will start wearing down because of like, it's like a little bit of grit in the water. In a new construction application, you will wear those arms down in like 7 hours. It's bananas how abrasive this wash water is. But we're gonna do a little side series with this 333 Dexter project and give you guys a bird's eye view into something that's on the other end of the spectrum. This is like kind of the most advanced skill-wise, equipment-wise, logistics-wise type of projects that we do. So we're going to kind of run that around the same at the same time we're doing this little mini system. This is a little Jack Russell playing with our husky. Yeah. So anyways, that's going to be fun to kind of show you guys something on the whole other end of the spectrum. And I think it's good to do that, you know. Kind of maybe some of you guys are going to take this reclamation thing and run with it and kind of do what we've done. This will be something that'll kind of whet your appetite, but it'll also be really good because, you know, when we got into doing new construction like maybe 6 or 7 years ago, it was a steep learning curve. We ate some serious shit until we learned how to do it without losing money. So we're gonna help you guys skip over all that, skip over all those painful lessons so you can jump right into that stuff, or mostly jump into it and do well right off the bat. New construction is a whole different animal, really difficult and way more dangerous a lot more rules. You have to wear a lot more stuff. It's just a different thing. And of course, it's a lot harder on your equipment. But there are ways to set these projects up so that you can make them more or less successful right off the bat without going through a bunch of painful learning lessons. So anyways, I have this footage we're going to start cutting up and get out probably in the next week or two. That'll be really fun. Anyways, you guys all have a good day. We'll talk soon. See ya. Hey, Smokes. Hey. Say goodbye to the channel, Smokes. Yeah. What do you got there? A little rabbit trail? What you doing? Yeah. All right, guys. See ya.